We've all felt that sting, buying something only to be let down by shoddy quality or hidden fees. It's more than an inconvenience. It's a breakdown of trust between buyer and seller. For years the rule was let the buyer beware, putting all the risk on you. But in today's complex world, that's impossible for ordinary people to manage. When you buy something, you expect it to work and be safe. When that promise is broken, you lose more than money. You lose faith in the system. That's why consumer protection laws are essential, to level the playing field and give you real rights. The law recognizes the power imbalance between big companies and individuals. Consumer protection transforms you from a helpless victim into an empowered consumer, backed by the law. Enter the Consumer Protection Act, or CPA. Your shield against unfair business practices, provided by Sections 48, 54, and 55 of the Act. It's a rulebook designed to protect you and ensure a fair, accessible marketplace. The CPA defines consumer broadly. If you use, buy, or even receive goods or services, you're covered. Even if you didn't pay for the item, you have rights if it's faulty. The Act fights dishonest advertising, fraud, and exploitation. It applies to almost every transaction in South Africa, from buying goods to renting services. The CPA sets clear standards for business conduct and contracts. It shifts power, making your rights non-negotiable and holding businesses accountable. The CPA gives you a powerful set of rights at every stage of a transaction. You're protected from false claims, coercion, and unfair contracts. Contracts must be clear and easy to understand. No more confusing legal jargon. You have the right to quality goods. They must work, be safe, and last a reasonable time. This is an automatic warranty, regardless of store policy. If something's faulty, you can return it within 6 months for a refund, replacement, or repair. Your choice. Thanks to Section 56. The Act also gives you a cooling-off period for direct marketing purchases. Cancel within 5 days, no penalty. These rights ensure you get what you paid for, and the law stands behind you. The transaction doesn't end at payment, your rights continue. The CPA makes sure you're never left powerless. Let's see the CPA in action. You buy a new smartphone, but after 2 months it malfunctions. The store says their policy is no returns after 30 days. But the CPA overrides store policy. You have 6 months to return faulty goods. The store, not just the manufacturer, is responsible. You can demand a refund, replacement, or repair. It's your choice, not theirs. If the store refuses, document everything. Purchase date, fault, and your conversation. Next, you can lodge a formal complaint. The law is on your side, turning a frustrating situation into a winnable case. The CPA gives you the tools to stand up for your rights. If a supplier ignores your rights, don't give up. File a complaint with the National Consumer Commission, NCC, available online at thencc.org.za. They investigate and enforce the Act. The NCC can mediate, order refunds, or issue compliance notices. If unresolved, escalate to the National Consumer Tribunal, which can order compensation or fines. Make lawyers your last resort. The process is simple to follow and designed for everyone. The CPA is only as strong as your willingness to use it. Know your rights, use the tools, and don't be intimidated by store policies. By standing up for yourself, you help create a fairer marketplace for all. This video is for informational purposes only.